Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we've got a household essential that we all use every day: toilet paper.
But not just any toilet paper. We're talking about Scott ComfortPlus toilet paper, a brand known for its quality and reliability. Scott ComfortPlus toilet paper is a top-rated product on Amazon, and it's easy to see why.
It offers comfort, strength, and value all in one package.
Let's dive into the details.
First, let's talk about the key features that make Scott ComfortPlus stand out. Strength: Scott ComfortPlus is 3 times stronger than the leading bargain brand.
This means you can count on it for a reliable and effective clean. It's designed to break down 6 times faster than the leading brand one-ply toilet paper, making it safe for septic systems and reducing the risk of clogs.
With Scott ComfortPlus, 1 double roll equals 2 regular rolls, so you'll be changing rolls less often, saving you time and money. It's free of perfumes or scents, so you don't have to worry about allergies or skin irritation. Scott ComfortPlus is sustainably sourced from responsibly managed forests, features recyclable packaging, and is 100% biodegradable, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Let's take a look at what customers are saying about Scott ComfortPlus.
Great toilet paper.
Cheaper than at Walmart.
Highly recommended.
The quality is great, and it's more absorbent than most other brands.
Great for sensitive behinds. Meredith Lezak. It's not too expensive and not too thin.
A great buy for budget-conscious shoppers. Now, how does Scott ComfortPlus compare to other brands?
Well, it offers a great balance of softness, strength, and value. While it may not be the absolute softest on the market, it more than makes up for it in affordability and quality. Scott ComfortPlus toilet paper is available on Amazon.com, and it's currently priced at just $5.99 for 12 double rolls, which is a fantastic deal considering the quality you're getting.
Plus, it's available for free shipping on qualified orders. In conclusion, Scott ComfortPlus toilet paper is an excellent choice for your household needs.
It offers strength, value, and peace of mind with its septic, safe, and eco-friendly features.
If you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly toilet paper brand, this is the one for you. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more honest product reviews. And as always, if you've tried Scott ComfortPlus toilet paper or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.